आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hi everyone, in this question it's given, convert the complex number minus 16 upon 1 plus iota root 3 into polar form. Let's say the solution part. Solution. So here first of all let's represent this complex number by z. So z is equal to minus 16 upon 1 plus iota root 3, where iota we know is nothing but under root of minus 1. Now before converting this complex number into polar form, we must rationalize this complex number. So for rationalization, we will multiply and divide by the conjugate of 1 plus iota root 3. So the conjugate of 1 plus iota root 3 is 1 minus iota root 3. So multiplying and dividing. So here we get in numerator minus 16 into 1 minus iota root 3 upon a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b formula we know, which is a square minus b square. So here it will be 1 square plus iota square is minus 1. So 1 minus minus 3. So it will be 4. So the complex number becomes minus 4 plus iota into 4 root 3. Now this is the real part and this is the imaginary part of the complex number. Now we need to convert this complex number into polar form. So first of all, what is polar form? So the polar form is represented by z is equal to r cos theta plus iota r sin theta. So this is the polar form, where r is nothing but modulus of complex number and theta is argument of complex number. So now here let's try to find out the value of r and theta. So here we get minus 4 plus iota into 4 root 3. This is equal to r cos theta plus iota r sin theta. So here equating real part. So if you are equating real part, so real part here is r cos theta. So r cos theta equal to minus 4. Let's name it as equation number 1. Second, equating imaginary part. So r sin theta is equal to 4 root 3. Let's name it as equation 2. Now 1 square plus 2 square. 1 square plus 2 square equal to, now here it will be r square, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, we know. So here r square is equal to minus 4 whole square 16 plus this is 4 root 3 whole square 48. So from here we get the value of r square as 64. From here we get the value of r as 8. We know the modulus of a complex number is always positive, so we will take with positive side. So r is equal to 8. Now let's put the value of r in equation 1 and 2. So from here we get cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2 and sin theta is equal to under root 3 by 2. So here cos theta equal to minus 1 by 2, cos theta is negative and sin theta is positive. Now cos theta negative and sin theta positive only happens in the second quadrant. So theta must be in the second quadrant, and we know one very important property, sin theta is equal to sine of pi minus theta. Now here root 3 by 2, the value of root 3 by 2 is sine pi by 3. So here we get theta is equal to pi minus pi by 3. So from here we get 2 pi by 3. So the value of theta comes out to be 2 pi by 3. Now we can write down the complex number in polar form because we have the value r and theta. So the complex number in polar form will be z is equal to r is 8 cos 2 pi by 3 plus iota 8 sine 2 pi by 3, or you can take 8 common. So here it will be 8 cos 2 pi by 3 plus iota sine 2 pi by 3. So this is the polar form. This is the final answer. Thank you guys.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।